Okay, so this is a review of Mona Korean barbecue restaurant in downtown Denver. And wow, it's just really good. Now, I went there and had dinner last night and couldn't eat it all, so I took some home, and I'm glad I did just so I could review this. So first of all, I get their secret sauce chicken, which is just a big bowl of chicken like this, just good chunked up. I think it's like dark thigh meat chicken, I would say. In their like gochujang sauce. I know I'm saying that wrong, but their version is spicy. It also came with this kind of nice little, I'd say like a ranch kind of sauce to dip it in, which you need because, man, even without extra sauce, this stuff is super, super spicy. And if you like spicy stuff, I'm telling you, this does not disappoint. And even just leftover from the fridge, they're still really good and crispy. But let me just tell you, when I first got it at the restaurant, the batter, the frying, everything was just perfect. Perfectly fried chicken. Oh my gosh, still so spicy. So good. But I'm just telling you, perfect temperature, perfect frying, perfect crispiness. Really a good portion too for the price. Sauce is so good. I also decided they had chicken legs. You get an order of like 3 chicken legs. And I ate 2 of them last night, but I'm going to finish this one. Again, just to tell you that the batter on the secret chicken was a little more kind of traditional, a little more flaky. This was a lighter batter, and the taste is really good. Again, perfect temperature, perfect frying time, juicy, moist chicken, like just perfectly done. And this comes kind of with like a spicy mayo to dip it in, but still just excellent chicken. I'm just staying in a hotel room, or I would have put this in an oven under the broiler to kind of crisp it up again. But still perfectly good. The flavor is just so good. Whatever they marinated the chicken into is just good, straight flavor. And this sauce, dip it down on that. Oh man. You have to excuse my horrible mouth noises, but I'm just telling you, like, this stuff is just amazing. The sauce, the spicy level. The wait staff was really good and friendly too. It's a nice place. You got a good bar in there. It's in a cool part of town, like right off of 16th Street, like that 16th Street Mall thing. Highly recommended. A lot of other cool stuff going on in that part of town. Mona Korean barbecue in downtown Denver. If you're a fried chicken fan and you're a spicy type of food fan, you gotta go check this place out. 100% recommend, and we'll absolutely go back again. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you like these little poorly produced food reviews. Thanks.